Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's a super exciting day because I am 28 weeks today, which means I'm in my third trimester officially, and we're also seeing the baby for the first time in like 2 months, doing a 3D ultrasound. So I'm so excited for today's vlog, but I got all ready mostly because I need to film, but also because I want to take a pic. Let me show you my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. This is a little maternity midi skirt that I got off Shein a while ago, and y'all, the bump, oh my goodness, it's so out and about, but I'm finally getting to wear this. And my top is from Fashion Nova. I just tied it up like this. It looks kind of weird right now, but it's so cute and I feel very comfy and cute. We're gonna go do a few things today. Also, the mattress for the crib comes in today, which is exciting because I can finally put on one of these little sheets. These two are from Pottery Barn, and then that one's from Amazon. I'm just so excited. It's like such a baby-filled day. So we came to this boutique. They have the cutest socks. I'm getting this for my grandpa. Or for my grandpa. No, for my dad for Father's Day. Look at all these cute little socks. I kind of want to get some for myself. They're all adorable. Y'all, I'm obsessed. Look at this antique store. And look at all the glasses and cups. Oh my goodness, I need them all. Look at that. Look at these. Holy crap. Y'all, I like really badly want a mirror like this big. This one is like $2,000 and not my style. But I really want the Anthropology mirror, and it's like back ordered until August, I think. Look how cool it would be to have a mirror this big. Okay, car haul. Wow, that was not English. Lower the AC a little bit. So we went to a few different places. First, a priority was getting donuts because I've been craving them like a psychopath, and I finally got them. These are not all for me, one is for me, but we went to Hugs and Donuts in the Heights. We've had them before, they're real good. And then in the little boutique that I showed y'all, I got 2 pairs of socks. This one is for my dad for Father's Day. It just says cool ass grandpa. If you know my dad, I mean none of you do, but he loves wearing funky socks, and I just thought this was perfect for his first like father/first grandpa's day. Even though it's Father's Day and Grandpa's Day on the same day, I don't know. Anyway, and then I got my husband these, even though there's nothing I hate more than the NFL season because he ignores me. So I got those. And lastly, the thing I'm most excited about, we went into this little place called Casa Ramirez Folklore Art, something like that. It's on West 19th Street, and I found a Puerto Rico baby book, and y'all, I could cry. This is just the cutest thing ever. It just says Vámonos a San Juan, and it's in Spanish and English, so it's gonna be perfect for our baby. We haven't really discussed like what we're gonna do language wise, but we're both bilingual. We speak mostly like half and half Spanish and English in our house, and like on our day to day. My mom, actually both our parents mostly speak Spanish, so we'll probably be kind of like speaking Spanish and English, and she'll figure it out. So I'm so excited for this little book. If any of you know of like Hispanic authors for children's books, or even like these kind of bilingual books for kids, please let me know, because I'm so into buying books. When I get home, I'll definitely show you. But they moved up my appointment. It was at 3, now it's at 1, so I'm so excited to get to it. I will say, I don't want to get into it because I don't want to cry, but I'll probably talk about it after the ultrasound appointment because it's like super exciting and I don't want to be upset. But my grandma is basically in her last days, and it's just gonna happen at any moment now, which is just really sad. So I'm probably gonna go see her at some point today, just because, you know, my plan the whole time was to bring her the ultrasound pictures, but she's no longer conscious, so she won't be able to see it. But just like so she can hear my voice and stuff. It's really sad. I don't want to make this vlog sad. I already cried on camera about it once. But I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been praying for her, for all your comments, your prayers, your positive vibes. I just want her to like rest, because she is in so much pain right now, and it's just like honestly agonizing for her to like be in this process. So you know, it's for the best, but at the same time it doesn't make it any easier. So I'm dealing with it. I'm kind of suppressing my emotions, not gonna lie, but I'm trying to like find the perfect balance between being super excited for my baby and then like grieving my grandma, and she hasn't passed away yet, so it's just kind of difficult. But anyway, I'm not gonna get into it. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm waiting for my husband. He is at a plant nursery. He is obsessed with plants, so I'm waiting for him, and then we're gonna head home and then go to ultrasound. It's about to be 12, so almost there. Just got home, changed my clothes, lost 2 nails in the process, don't know how. I'll put those on when I get back. Wearing this really comfy shirt from H&M, biker shorts, and the same little Princess Polly shoes. I wanted to show you, my mother-in-law gave me her fiddle leaf tree that I've been wanting for a while. She had it outside, so a lot of the leaves were like dried out and dead, but now it's thriving. Look at it. So I showed you this, I'm pretty sure in the last vlog. I got this little pot from Walmart. It looks so nice and rustic. And then look at that, so pretty. I love it. I hope it gets big. And those little stickers that I talked about in my Amazon video that catch fungus gnats do such a great job. I'll link them down below. And then I returned that arch mirror that was terrible, and I got this one from Home Goods. I will say this one is bigger, taller, cuter, only $100. However, I am on the hunt for the one from Anthropologie. I thought they were doing 20% for Memorial Day, but they actually just like didn't have the 7-foot mirror in stock. So here's my big bump, and we're about to leave. Ay, se ve perfecto la viendo. Oh. Okay, so I actually wanted to clear out my vanity, organize it, and actually show you, because right now it is so messy. Like, it's such a catch-all for so many things. Nothing stays organized. I don't have like a good system, and I have like nail stuff, hair stuff, makeup. Obviously this one is the most organized. Look at this mess. So I just started off by cleaning this out with this. I highly recommend this cleaning product, Clean Freak by Mr. Clean. Just wipe this off. There was like dip powder everywhere. Now it's clean. Now I can get started with organizing. Okay, so in this drawer that was filled with random things, I decided to put the majority of my nail items. So I have dip powders, gels, fake nails in the back. You really can't see those. And these are for nail art, dip powder stuff, like I said, and then some tools right here. This one is pretty organized. I don't think I'm gonna mess too much with it. I just have like makeup sponges there. This one though, I need to get some little containers, and this doesn't go there. So let's start. All right, this is as good as it's gonna get, because I need to go to Target to pick up more of these little organizers. They come in different sizes and colors, and they're amazing. For now, I just have fake eyelashes. I literally never wear those, but I have so many. So I put them there. Hair clips for when I do my hair or do my makeup, and then headbands need to go in a little one. Then we have nail stuff. I'm gonna order this thing on Amazon called Museum Gel. It's basically like a stick, like gel to make things not move around. So I'm gonna do that. That way, every time I open and close, they don't slide. But yeah, this is all nail stuff, which looks real nice. Like I said, they don't really mess with this one too much. Then for this one, I'm gonna order a few more of these organizers from Amazon. That way I can have everything aesthetically pleasing. And then I still need to work on actually decluttering these eyeshadow palettes because I have too many in the other bathroom. But I also went ahead and cleared this up. I condensed my makeup brushes. I used to have like 5 little holders. Now I just have 3. And then I'm using this one to hold some like smaller products, but I'm gonna leave that right here for now. Okay. Yeah. So some progress. I definitely threw away a lot of things. Oh my god, I look huge right now. But yeah, I'm excited to have this more organized. Hello, it's been a few days since, actually it's been a week. I will talk about why I stopped vlogging after my ultrasound later in this vlog or in another one, but today's exciting. I am actually cleaning our bedroom because I'm finally getting my dream nightstands, and we're making like a lot of moves today. So first I'm just clearing everything out. They're about to get delivered in like an hour. I'm going to move those to our guest bedroom, clear them out, and then once we have them installed, fill them up. And then I'm actually taking these mirrors down to paint the edges black, and we are measuring my closet. It's pretty messy right now. I'm scared to show you because we're removing the carpet and installing like vinyl, like wooden floors. I'm so excited. It's definitely going to change the look of this room. So making moves with the house. A vacuum. This is our big vacuum, y'all. It's so good and not super expensive, and it gets so much dust and dirt and hair and everything. I literally use my Roomba every single day, and I vacuum twice a week. And look, I mean, I do have 2 dogs, but the best vacuum ever. I got it on sale like 2 years ago on Black Friday. Anyway, the nightstands are here. I moved the other ones. They weren't heavy at all, and I vacuumed. Another thing that we are doing today is finally painting this wall. Wooden sign is probably not gonna come until our baby shower because they're bringing it from Mexico. So right now I have all the books in this like hidden little closet, and I just want to display them, so that's why I got the shelves. I'll show you once those are installed, but first we need to paint. So all right, it is the next day. Yesterday was like a little chaotic. It rained. I was trying to like spray paint the mirrors. It was like a hot mess, but we got them upstairs, mostly my husband by himself. But anyway, I love them. They're definitely big and bulky and a statement, and our master bedroom is pretty small compared to like others because we sacrifice like a ton of space because of my walk-in closet. But eventually when we have like our dream master bedroom, these will be perfect. So far, like, I love them. So what I did was spray paint the mirrors. They're still a little dirty because they're a little crooked. So once my husband fixes that, I'll go ahead and clean them. But y'all, I'm obsessed. So I think they're out of stock right now, but I'll still link them down below. I was hunting them down for months until they came back in stock. And here is my husband's side. So here is the silver mirrors. They weren't too bad, but I definitely like the look of the black better. It just looks more modern. I freaking love them. They're so spacious. Okay, we're having an impromptu cleaning day. Y'all, this was so gross. This is your reminder to vacuum your couch because I found way too many gross things inside. And then I just vacuumed this rug. That's usually like the couch is on it, that's on it. It was pretty gross. But now I'm going to vacuum it with that carpet vacuum cleaner that really deep cleans it, and I'm gonna keep vacuuming everything else. The dogs are losing their minds. They hate the vacuums. Okay, update on the nursery. What a hot mess. The first coat of paint happened yesterday. We kind of ran out, so we have to go to Home Depot to color match it. We got the mattress in the mail. Have a ton of things here because I'm doing a few videos. This is like my filming corner, but I needed to show you the cutest stuff that I got from Shein. Dogs are here, being a little bit bad. Hi. Hi. So I got a few shoes. I know these are completely unnecessary, but I couldn't resist it. They were literally less than $5, and they are so darn cute. I literally have sneakers that look just like this, and then these were just adorable. Then I got this 3-pack of little socks that have like gripping at the bottom. I thought these would be perfect for later on. Then they have these kind of like sleeping sacks with zippers for so cheap. They're like $4. I already got one with little animals, so I decided to get the stars one. They keep going. And then my parents used to make me wear hats all the time when I was little, and now I'm obsessed with little hats. So I got this one, this little bonnet that is literally the sweetest thing I've ever seen, and the quality is kind of unreal. Look at that. And this little bucket hat. Oh, so cute. And then this is a little sleeping sack as well. This one is a little warmer, so it'd be perfect for the winter. And yet another little hat, just because they're adorable. And then this little bubble romper. Ignore the rainbows. I had like a predicament on which shelving to use, so I got these acrylic shelves from Amazon. They were pretty expensive. They were $79 for a 4-pack, but they're pretty long. And then I decided that I didn't really like the look of them. Like, they're a little too modern for like the boho look that I'm going for. Bolt, can you behave, please? Thank you. So instead I got one of these from H&M. Y'all, my love for H&M home is just too much. And it was less than 20 bucks, super cute, and just the look I was going for. So I ordered 2 more. I don't know if I should do 3 or 4. I think 4 might be too much. Maybe I'll do 2. But I literally just placed the order because I like it so much better. So I'm leaving those. The rainbows are going probably on that other wall with her name. And I ordered, did I tell y'all this already? Her hospital sign, or her name sign for the hospital, and a few other things with her name. So I'm so excited. Also, like I said, I'm obsessed with like baby hats. So I have a few too many. They are just so darn cute to me. If any of you have any like ideas on how I can like display them a little cuter, maybe with like little hangers or something. There's this shelf that I really want from H&M, but it's been out of stock for so long. I'll put it on the screen. It is the cutest thing, and I could like put it right there in the center of the closet and hang these on it, but it won't come back in stock. So if any of you have any cute like DIYs or ideas, let me know, because I would love to display these. They're so precious. A little bit later, we stopped at Sally's and Target. Y'all, Sally's is having a 4 for $20 on a lot of their brands. So I actually saw this on TikTok and I bought the ones the girl recommended. So these are dupes for It's a 10 shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in. And this just sounded like a good conditioner. So I'm going to try those out. I'll let y'all know in a favorites video. I found this book in Spanish, so I thought I would give it a try. And then I kind of messed up. I thought this was like my favorite like wide leg pajama pants from Target. It's the joggers version, but it's fine. These are so comfy and they work for like pregnancy and not, so I'm gonna keep them. They're so soft. I got a size medium in that. I'll link it down below. But now I just need to like, I don't know, lay down. My legs hurt so bad. Okay, well, my vlog took a turn and we ended up in the hospital. Everything's fine. Okay, I wonder how many times I'm gonna say that, but I realized that never in my life have I had an IV, and it's too much pain. Like, she tried my other hand first and then she tried this one. I've never been in so much pain. I am not ready for labor, so if you're wondering how that's going, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Okay, and I'll start a new one. I'll give you guys like more of a, I was about to say a review. Y'all, my brain is not working today. I'll give y'all whatever. I'll talk to you all in my next vlog next week. I have a lot of Amazon videos coming this week because of Prime Day, Father's Day, all that good stuff. So subscribe if you haven't already. Everything's fine. I should keep saying that. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next one.